Morning. Good morning. How you guys doing? How's everyone today? Okay, so today I'm only looking for one trade. You guys have it on my Discord. You guys have my watch list and my SPY and the Q levels. So for stocks, I'm only looking for one trade. In SPY and the Q, it's gonna be pretty much pre-market high and low. Based on what SPY and the Q are doing right now. On SPY's yesterday high. That's a level to watch. SPY is holding yesterday high as support. If it keeps doing that, that's crazy bullish. If it goes under, then we look for yesterday's low and see if it's gonna hold that level. Morning. Yep. I got an alert on MDB. That's one that I'm looking also. I was looking to trade this one last week because it has a huge gap. Looks just like CRM, right? Look at this gap. I posted this one last week on my Discord. Now it's right at the level that I wanted to enter because I feel like I missed my entry last week, but now it's right there. Let's see if it's gonna hold 252.50, 253. You can really hold that one. I'm gonna swing trade this one. Yeah. But I need to see 250, 250, 253 hold. Okay, another after that chord. And that's another swing. You guys know what's my plan here. What I'm looking to trade. So I want to see it holding 101.2. Any data coming up right now? Let's see. I know we have Powell, right? Today. Yeah. At 10. So I need to make a quick trade before 10. But we have another one speaking at right now. What happened now? wanna see SPY holding yesterday high. That's the level that I'm looking right now. This is yesterday high, so we wanna see SPY holding 556, 556.30, around there. Yeah, I like that hold. I'm gonna go long. My stop loss is gonna be this morning low here. Meta is still doing nothing, but it's holding above 528, 530, which is what I want to see doing. And I kind of feel, I don't know, like, I kind of feel like the Q needs to go down, fill this little gap that you made pre-market. And then I'll feel safe to play the upside here on the Q. This is yesterday high. This line here. So there's a, I have like 3 levels that I'm watching on the Q. First of all is yesterday high, yesterday low, and then is 495. So any pullback to any of those levels, and if I see it holding, I'm gonna look to play long there. Am I still in meta? So what's my stop loss? What did I post today on my Discord? What's my watch list? What's the plan on meta? That should be your question, not if I'm still holding or not. What's the reason for me to not hold meta? Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. 133, 134 are the next 2 levels to watch on Nvidia. I will say 134. 133.88 is the one that I have. Stop losses are not if it hits or not. It is if it's holding or not that level, not if it touched the price. I don't, let's just say meta, my stop loss is 528, right? Did it give you any candle that did not hold 528, like bigger time frame candle? The daily close under 528. Literally went under and up, under and above 528 right away. And based on that move yesterday, yesterday low should be your, it's now my stop loss. Go and check my watch list from on my Discord. You have the levels there. You could get nothing until Powell. Microsoft is very, very weak. I'm gonna say, like, today taking any trade is risky, so I don't think today technical analysis is gonna work out. The Q looks good to play the downside. SPY looks very good to play the upside. The only thing that I see really moving is Nvidia and Microsoft to the downside. Nothing more. Are you guys on anything? I the day that I would be trading. The Q looks super weak. And SPY too. Meta is looking pretty good so far. But yeah, nothing's really moving. Well, Powell is speaking at 10, right? I think I should sell what I'm holding. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Like I said, technical analysis doesn't work when you have data or Powell coming up. But yeah, it looks good for a gap fill, but I don't know, the market's been super bullish. When it comes to, I got burned yesterday trying to play the downside. Morning. And I got so many comments and DMs, people like making fun of me losing 40k, which I did not lose any money. Like, people don't understand, some people don't understand that I'm trading with a prop firm, so it looks like I lose money, but I didn't lose anything because I'm still trading with the same accounts. So you know how much I lost yesterday of my money? 0. The only thing that matters is how much money it's coming out and in and out of your bank account. Five minutes till Powell. It looks like the market is not gonna do anything until Powell, and I could have like a huge move to the downside before he starts speaking and then move back up, or I can get a huge move to the upside and then lose, and then the market's gonna lose that move, because that always happens when he's coming. Morning, buenas. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here. He's coming. So only holding one. Yeah, that's right. Should I get out of this last position? I think I should. It like SPY looks very bullish. But again, like I said, Powell is coming like in 4 minutes. The market can just die here and then bounce hard, or it can just boom boom and then give back that move. And I went, like, technically both the SPY and the Q look pretty much the same if we look only the small time frames, but I went with SPY because I like how SPY was holding yesterday high as support instead of the Q just gap up and has a big gap and wasn't even near any support. So for me, reading SPY chart, it's easier than the Q when you have this gap here, no support, and then you still have a gap on SPY, but at least you know that SPY is holding previous day high. Our age, it's been a mess. Thank you. Yeah, I know some people don't show that, or they show it on the live and then they delete the videos. I show everything that I do with futures. Not everything, but everything that I do in the morning. Yeah, I'm staying here. Let's see. Okay, I'm all out. I'm all out. I think I need a new computer. This one is lagging, even though it shouldn't be lagging. Because I'm saving every single video and pictures on a hard drive. I want to see the queue going to yesterday high. I want to see how it's gonna react there. A little bit under 498. Shop is looking pretty weak. We want to see it holding 66. I like what Doug is doing. Let's see how those contracts are moving. Oh, okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. Apple is like trying to go to a new high. Fighting pre-market high. It's crazy how Apple it's been moving lately. Meta is still holding pretty good, doing nothing. But as long as it's holding, it's good. Nvidia going. That 130 retest on Nvidia was very, very clean. 130, 131. 131. I think it's the cleanest one. I was not expecting for Nvidia to go higher today based on yesterday's daily candle. That daily candle on Nvidia was ugly. It was a clear rejection candle. But this keeps going higher. Nvidia is basically just to buy the dip every time. You guys want to listen to Powell, or you guys want to keep listening to me and music? Okay, happy that I sold. I think today is gonna be like this morning is gonna be a very boring morning. No clear direction, no trend, very choppy. I mean, there's no reason why we should be trading with Powell speaking. We have SPY still holding this level here, yesterday high. Keep holding there. RH is about to stop me out. This looks like a failed trade. What's the volume here? The volume is very low, so why you keep going lower? Oh, kind of falling asleep here. So yeah, we have Nvidia still bullish. Apple kind of trying to break pre-market high, which is all-time high. Microsoft is pretty bearish. SPY looks like it's losing yesterday high. Bouncing again. This is a nice reaction of here. So we have even more confirmation that this level is very important for SPY. Damn, I almost got in again here, but then I decided to stop myself because I thought it was too risky. I didn't want to lose my gains. I think Meta is getting ready to boom boom. Let's see if we're gonna get that today, hopefully. You guys watching anything? Nvidia is the only one that I see like really moving. Oh, and Apple is the best one. Apple is the best one right now. I don't know, days like today are not my days because I'm not the type of trader that is gonna trade quick. I like basically catching a good support or resistance and then catching the entire, pretty much a big move, not the entire move because you're never gonna be able to catch the entire move, but catching a big move. So days like today are not what I trade. My trades are a little bit boring because more about being patient and trusting your levels. And if it doesn't work, just doesn't work. But I don't like trading this price action. Coin. Okay, what's coin doing? Oh yeah, coin, it's looking pretty bullish. Let's see if coin can break 224. If it can break 224, it's gonna boom. I'm not gonna take it because I'm super happy with what I'm holding right now. And I have a bunch of swings and I don't wanna keep risking my money at this time. Oh yeah, coin, watch coin if can break 224. Look at this here, 224. That was my alert. 224. Let's see what's the next level. Yesterday high 227, and then I will go with this high 235, 236. But watch 224 on coin. It needs to break 224. Shopify needs to hold 66. So what's moving? Only Nvidia? What's AMD doing? Nothing. Oh. Tesla. Oh, Tesla is moving. But I'll be scared to play Tesla to either side. $265, $266 is the next big resistance on Tesla. $260 and $265. And Russell. I don't like how the IWM chart is very messy. And it's been very, very choppy. I'm getting out of RH. I don't like how it looks like a head and shoulder on the bigger time frames. I don't like how it's moving, taking forever to hold. It doesn't hold anything. It was my first time playing that stock. I don't think I'm gonna play it anymore because I don't like how it moves. Yeah, Nvidia was very clean. The 131 hold break and retest was very, very clean. I'm watching 66 on Shopify. That was the 68 levels been very strong resistance on Shopify. And down we go. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Not much to do here on this messy BS. When does Powell finish speaking today? Oh. Shopify 65 broke 66. That's a very important level for that Shopify needed to hold. Let's see if it's gonna close the daily under 66 or holding 66. 27.50 on Palantir. We have Meta at 531. Microsoft definitely looking like it wants more downside. Nvidia trying to hold the VWAP. And Spire's trying to hold this level again. Kinda tempted to go long here. Because of this week. But that's risky. Should I go long? Yes, no, yes, no. Spy's really trying to hold that level. Dun, 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 dun. Apple rejecting 230. Thank you, Kiki Boots. Good luck. You have. Yes, the gap is pretty much filled. You had a hard reaction there, a hard bounce. You had two things against you here. The trend is pretty bullish. Powell is speaking, so anything that he can say, that he says, it can be very bearish, but the market is looking pretty bearish. It's looking bearish today. Look at these daily candlesticks. Yalen's also talking. I'm gonna give it the market like 30 more minutes. If Powell is still speaking at 11, I'm out. There's nothing I want to trade here. Don't be greedy. Just take profits. Don't be greedy. But that was a nice move to the downside on the Q and SPY. Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Okay, so we have yesterday high retest on the Q. Let's see how it's gonna react there. Look at those daily candles on Apple. There is no reason why Apple should like keep getting higher. It looks tired. Same thing with the SPY and the Q. Looks tired. That's gonna mess up my swings. My Meta shop swings. Microsoft looks like just wanna die. If Apple loses the VWAP, it's definitely gonna go down. I think Apple needs to retest 220. Yeah, 220. Kind of like this reaction here in this candle to go long, but Microsoft looks very, very weak, and Apple is kind of trying to hold, so I don't know if I want to go long there. My premium, I only post my watch list and the levels that I'm looking to trade. I explain everything here. You guys see me using the bigger time frames here, and I always talk about what I'm taking and why. Always. That's why my Discord is so cheap, because it's only for the charts that I'm looking to trade, so you guys can see the levels that I'm watching for the day, and you guys are prepared for my streams. And I only explain exactly how I trade when I do my mentorings. The important takeaway that we can take from this choppy mess is that SPY really want to hold yesterday high. Same thing with the Q here. This candle and these candles are clear indication that the market wants to go higher. You have a strong reaction at support. Let's see, Apple is losing the VWAP. Microsoft looks like it's barely hanging there, barely. Freaking RH stopped me out and just ran. Nvidia daily chart is a mess also. I don't like anything. The only thing that I like that I see that it has a lot of potential, it's Meta. It keeps holding above yesterday's low. That's the only one that I like. And Shopify holding 66. SPA is very strong today compared to a lot of stuff. Palantir is looking pretty weak right now. I like the coin, how it's holding 221, 222. I almost got in on the candle. That was super bullish. Meta is looking pretty good so far. Let's see if we have our boom boom today. I see people trying to short Tesla. Why? Why do you want to go against one of the strongest stocks the past few days with super high volume? No reason to go against the trend. You go against the trend and you're gonna get burned. Damn, I missed this entry here. That was so clean. so clean. You have a perfect reaction at support. This candle was very telling, and this one too. And look at this also on the queue. Perfect reaction at support. AMD could be another good buy the dip opportunity if it keeps holding 175. Yeah, 175. That was yesterday's, well, if holds yesterday's low, because it's pretty much a break and retest. Look, so we had this level, right? That was resistance. Yesterday acted as support, and today AMD went down to 174, 175, and it's still holding. So I think as long as I keep holding above 174, even 172, could be a good play to the upside. Let's see what's the next level here. The big one is 188. Well, you have a little bit here. And then right here also. You have these two levels very close, but I would love to see AMD kinda consolidating here, kinda like giving us a flag, right? So consolidating like inside here. Kinda like that. So we can play, boom, the upside. That will be perfect if we can have some consolidation around this support, like all this support. It's just like we learn with history, right? When you have an uptrend, you just need to buy the dip until that uptrend is not valid. So you pretty much keep doing exactly the same thing over and over and over again until it stops working. And SPY keeps reacting this little level here. So basically we have nothing today or this morning. A bunch of chop, but Meta looks beautiful. Is still holding. It's holding pretty good. I think I'm gonna go to the gym because I'm falling asleep here. Powell still speaking. Spy looks like he wants to boom boom, but if Powell is still speaking or not trading, yeah, still that thing. 2 years. It took me 2 years. I don't know anyone, like every single trader that I know lost money the first 2 years. It's a difficult path, my friend, if you want to be a trader, a full-time trader. Pretty hard. Trading. That's not the morning. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you mañana. Boring. Stream, but not much to do here, so it's better to be boring than being losing money, right? Like yesterday. So yeah, I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.